Where can I get the PCL-5? Have you ever wondered where to find the PTSD Checklist for DSM-5, also known as the PCL-5? This important tool is a standardized questionnaire that helps assess the presence and severity of PTSD symptoms. It is widely used in clinical and research settings to identify probable PTSD and monitor changes in symptoms over time. If you are looking to obtain the PCL-5, there are several reliable sources you can turn to. One of the best places to start is the National Center for PTSD, which is part of the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. They provide the PCL-5 and its administration guidelines freely available online. You can find different versions of the PCL-5 that cater to various assessment needs. For instance, there is a standard version, a version that includes criterion assessment for trauma exposure, and another that comes with the life events checklist for a more detailed trauma history. You can access the PCL-5 in formats suitable for self-administration or clinician administration, whether in person or remotely, such as by telephone. Completing the PCL-5 typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes. However, it is crucial to remember that while the PCL-5 is a valuable screening tool, it is not a standalone diagnostic instrument. A qualified clinician must interpret the results alongside clinical interviews and possibly other structured assessments to confirm a PTSD diagnosis. To get the PCL-5, you can visit the National Center for PTSD website, where you can download the PCL-5 and related materials. Some psychological assessment platforms and mental health providers may also provide access to the PCL-5 as part of their evaluation services. Additionally, mental health professionals can administer the PCL-5 during clinical assessments or therapy sessions. Since the PCL-5 is a clinical tool, it is recommended that its use be guided by or discussed with a healthcare professional trained in PTSD assessment. This ensures accurate interpretation and appropriate follow-up care. In summary, the PCL-5 is publicly accessible through authoritative sources like the National Center for PTSD. It is designed for adults who have experienced traumatic events to screen for PTSD symptoms and monitor treatment progress. Proper clinical context and professional guidance are essential for its effective use and interpretation.